One day, Thomas was pulling Annie and Clarabelle down its branch line. Soon, he passed a tree. Behind that tree was Bertie the bus. "Hey, Thomas, want a rice?" Bertie said. "Sure," said Thomas. "When we get to the next station." When they got to the next station, Thomas was waiting for Bertie. Bertie rolled in. "Hey, Thomas, let's go have that race."
Let's have a race, have a race, have a race. Let's see who is the quickest. Who can be the fastest? On your marks now, get set, go! Let's have a race, have a race, have a race. Let's see if you can catch me. Let's see if you can match me. So, let's have a race, have a race.
But then there was trouble. The siding was set so Thomas would go down into a broken old bridge, and Thomas crashed into the pond that the tracks of the bridge had rotted under. Bertie had come up. "Hey, Thomas, I guess I won the race." "Thomas, you have caused confusion and delay on my railway," said the Fat Controller. "I'm sorry, Thomas. It was my idea for the race. Now Bertie has to take your passengers." A new sign was installed by the old bridge, and Thomas and Bertie decided to stop their racing.